I began my career in manufacturing actually at Rittal about 4 years ago when I joined the company. I got into it as I was just looking for a different business industry to get into, and I saw a career opportunity in the manufacturing industry, and so I took a chance.
So on a day-to-day basis, I pretty much answer questions that people have with regards to our systems, our processes. If they run into any roadblocks, who should they go to? With my role as a business process improvement leader, I have the knowledge from quote to invoicing. I was a part of the team that implemented our SAP system, so I get on a day-to-day basis a lot of questions. The one key thing that I'm proud of is being on the team that implemented our sales and distribution module of SAP. We went live in 2002, and the day of go live, we were able to enter orders, create deliveries, and generate invoices to the customers without an issue. So that's the one I'm most proud of.
A lot of women see manufacturing as a dirty job, and so they don't want to apply, or they don't think that there's any opportunity, which couldn't be further from the truth. Today with Industry 4.0 and all the automation, a lot of manufacturing floors are super clean. You could probably eat off of them. And so there's other jobs as well outside of just working on the production floor that are in manufacturing. For instance, there's marketing, there's HR, there's accounting and finance, there's analytics, there's sales. There's just so many different jobs that can be done inside of manufacturing that women have the opportunity to go into.
You know, it didn't take long for me to fall in love with the industry and everything that we do as a company, and the entire automation industry does. I love the fact that we can help from anywhere from, you know, a cabinet on the side of the road that controls the street lights to, you know, helping the power distribution in a hotel get from floor 1 all the way up to floor 25.
Long-term goals for myself, I've tried to kind of get my foot into a lot of different areas. So I've been in sourcing and procurement, I've been in manufacturing out on the floor, I've been in the office and planning and production role. So I just want to keep continuing to grow that. So there's its own little ecosystem, right? You've got engineering, you've got sales. So I want to explore all of that and have it take me wherever it does, because that's kind of how it's gone so far, and I've just really enjoyed every challenge. And then with that, being able to share that with my team, everybody sees a different perspective, and just being able to bring all of those different groups together is really my goal for any of the employees that work for me and anybody that I'm around.
This is actually the first place that I've worked where I really felt like we were a team. We play really well off of each other. We're a well-oiled machine, and no matter, you know, what side we are on, industrial or IT, you know, we help each other out all the time, and that's really nice. I've never had that before.
The advice that I'd give to women who are entering manufacturing is to do it. If you're even a little bit hesitant, just jump in. It was the best decision that I have ever made. Yes, it is male dominated, but that's okay. That just means that there's a lot more opportunities for women. And if you look in manufacturing today, you will see that the industries and the manufacturers that are thriving are the ones that have made room for women at the table.